Consider this testimonial. If there is no medication, I am very worried because insulin is expensive. With support from my relatives, it is not enough, so I cannot buy any medication. Insulin is expensive. It's not cheap. For one bottle of Lent, it costs 22,000 Malawian kwacha, and I need 2 bottles. For serum insulin, it costs 15,000 for one bottle, for a total of 59,000. This is treatment for 1 month. Now this is a Malawian citizen of low socioeconomic status, interviewed by Ellen Nakambale of the BMC Health Services Research in 2023. Diabetes is a disastrous condition on multiple fronts because it affects people through their health, but also because the therapy is very costly. Today I want to talk about diabetes types 1 and 2, as well as the upcoming new therapy in stem cell research. I also want to detail the current therapy for insulin and diabetes and the lack of access. Now, diabetes types 1 and 2 is experienced by a large subpopulation in the world. Diabetes type 1, if you hadn't noticed, is a autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks your own pancreas, namely the beta islet cells responsible for producing insulin, rendering the person unable to produce the hormone to regulate blood sugar levels. According to Yan et al. Of the 4th Medical Hospital in Yixing in 2024. Diabetes type 2, on the other hand, is an insensitivity to the hormone with increased levels of blood sugar, even though the body produces it, with deficiencies in producing insulin over time. These conditions can have disastrous effects on the body, with health risks such as kidney failure and diabetic ketoacidosis, according to Chen Yu et al. Of the CDC Morbidity and Mortality Report of 2020. Now, with the current treatment, diabetes is a lifelong condition and medication is always needed. Therefore, scientists are always looking for a cure to permanently alleviate people's dependency on insulin and diabetic therapy. Now, pluripotency is a phenomenon in biology with very unique characteristics in genetics. Stem cells are unique units in the body, typically involved in early development and replenishing of tissues according to each stem cell, according to its lineage. Now, stem cells, according to Papadopoulos of the first military hospital in Athens in 2024, could be used for many treatments. For example, in a study, stem cells from adipose tissue can be transplanted into individuals with diabetes with marked increase in insulin production, according to Yan et al. In 2024. Now, with this new therapy, you can potentially have a one-time fix for diabetes, which is a major goal in medical research. Now, with current medications, there is disparities in the access of insulin. Real statistics for insulin availability in 2021 reports that people with diabetes are mostly from low to middle socioeconomic strata, with half of that subpopulation with inability to have adequate insulin therapy. Now, this can have major effects on the body because without proper treatment, the health risks are much more severe. Now, according to Andrea Suarez of the World Health Organization, this is the reason why so many people are struggling to get that insulin and why it's mainly of low and middle socioeconomic status. Now, in order to fix that one-time solution of stem cell therapy could be very beneficial for people of low socioeconomic status. Overall, diabetes is a condition that is very costly to treat and is a lifelong condition. So stem cell is a very promising therapeutic method that for now is in animal and human trials, but with success can be very beneficial, especially to people in the United States. 1 in 10 of people in the United States suffer of diabetes, and it's very possible that some of you may know of someone that has this condition and could benefit from this possible cure in stem cell therapy. So I encourage you to keep up with the medical news because this new innovation can be very exciting.